Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to sync your PS5 controller. It's a straightforward process, but crucial for getting your new controller ready for gameplay. We'll cover the essential steps to ensure your controller connects seamlessly to your PlayStation 5 console. This method is the most reliable way to establish that initial connection, so let's get started and get you gaming quickly. For your first connection, always make sure your PlayStation 5 is fully powered on. Using the original USB-C cable provided with your console is highly recommended for optimal performance. If you encounter any difficulties, a simple troubleshooting step is to try plugging the cable into a different USB-C port on the front of your PlayStation 5. This often resolves minor connection glitches.
Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. On another note, if you're looking to truly change how you think about money, I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth *. It's a fantastic book. You can find the link to it, along with other great deals, in the video description below. Now, let's get back to the video.
If your controller has been previously paired with your PlayStation 5, reconnecting it is even simpler. Just press the PlayStation button on the controller, and it will automatically attempt to find and connect to your console. You'll know it's successfully reconnected when the light bar on the controller glows a solid color, indicating a stable link to your PlayStation 5. Should you still face persistent connection problems, an advanced troubleshooting step is to reset your controller. Locate the small reset button on the back of the controller, near the L2 button. Use a thin tool, such as a straightened paper clip, to press and hold this button for 5 seconds. After resetting, try the USB-C cable connection process again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.